Let me ask you something. How many times have you tried to be focused and only to get distracted because you sat down to work and you told yourself, this time I'll be more focused, but within 5 minutes, your mind started getting distracted, like checking your phone, watching random videos, or just staring at the screen doing nothing? And it's not because you're lazy or lack motivation. It's because your brain has been trained to be distracted, like your attention keeps breaking and your thoughts keep jumping from one thing to another. And no matter how hard you try, it always feels like nothing changes. But here's the truth. Most of the people don't understand this. Focus is not something you're born with. It's something you can build it, just like a muscle. And right now, your focus muscle isn't trained yet. But the good news is, you can train it. Because today, I'm going to share you 10 simple daily habits that can slowly rewire your brain to stay focused and more in control. So, without further delay, let's get into the video. And before we fix your focus, we need to understand what's really going wrong, because most of the people think, I just need more discipline, but that's not the real problem. The real problem is you are overstimulated. So think about your daily life, like constant scrolling and notifications all the time, and music in the background, and doing many things at once. Then your brain never gets a break. It keeps jumping from one thing to another again and again. So when you finally sit down to focus, your brain feels uncomfortable and it starts looking for more stimulation. That's why focusing feels so hard. So fixing your focus is not about forcing yourself to do more. It's about removing the distractions and training your brain to stay calm and still again. And that's where it all begins. Habit number 1, phone-free morning. This is one of the powerful habits because the way you start your morning decides how the rest of your day will go. But most of the people wake up and instantly reach for their phone, like notifications, messages, and short videos. And within just 10 minutes, their mind is already full and distracted. And before they even start their day, their focus is already gone. So instead, try something different. When you wake up, don't touch your phone for at least 30 minutes. Sit quietly, or drink a glass of water, or stretch your body slowly, or step outside and feel the fresh air. At first, it might feel strange, even a little uncomfortable, but that feeling is important because that discomfort is your brain calming down and starting fresh. It's like giving your mind a clean start, and when your mind is clear, then you think better and you feel more in control of your day. So tomorrow morning, don't start your day with your phone, start it with yourself. Habit number 2, do hard task first. Let's be honest, we all try to avoid difficult work. So when the day starts, we choose the easy things first, like checking emails, doing small tasks, and finishing quick work. It feels simple, so we keep doing it. Then we tell ourselves, I'll do the important work later. But later never comes. We get distracted and we start feeling tired, and slowly the hard work stays unfinished. So here's a simple rule. Do the hardest task first. Start your day with the most important work. Because in the morning, your mind is fresh and your energy is higher. And when you finish that one hard task in the morning, you don't just complete work. You feel proud and more strong. And that one small win builds momentum. And with that momentum, then everything else starts to feel easier. Habit number 3, use 25-minute rule. See, you don't need to focus for 5 hours. That's not realistic because most of the people get tired and distracted. So instead, try something simple. Break your work into small sessions. Like start with just 25 minutes and during that time, focus on only one task. No phone and no messages. Just sit and do the work, even if it feels hard at the beginning, but stay with it and keep going. Then, after 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. Stand up and stretch your body and give your mind some rest. After the break, come back and start again. This method is simple, but it works very well because your brain likes short and clear challenges. And once you start, your mind slowly gets into focus. Habit number 4, remove distractions. Let's be real. You don't just get distracted. You allow the distractions into your life because it's not really your phone that is the problem. It's the environment around you. Because when everything is within reach, then your attention keeps getting pulled away. So if you truly want to focus, then you have to fix your environment first. So before you start working, take a few simple steps. Put your phone in another room so you won't feel the urge, and turn off notifications so your mind can stay calm without sudden interruptions. And also, close all the unnecessary tabs and keep only what you actually need for your work. And in this way, you make it harder to get distracted. And when distractions are not easy to reach, then your focus becomes easier to hold. Habit number 5, doing nothing. This sounds weird, but it's very powerful. Just sit down and do nothing for 5 to 10 minutes. No phone, no music, and no thinking about work. Just sit quietly with yourself. At first, it will feel strange. Then your mind will start racing, jumping from one thought to another. But don't react. Stay there and let those feelings pass. Then your mind slowly begins to settle down. The noise becomes less and your thoughts become calmer. And over the time, something powerful happens. Your ability to focus starts to improve because now your brain is learning how to slow down. And when your mind becomes calm and steady, then focusing on one thing becomes much easier and natural. Habit number 6, drink water. This habit's simple, but people often ignored. If your body feels tired, then your brain cannot focus properly. And when you don't drink enough water, then your mind becomes slow and less clear. And when your energy is low, then your attention starts to drop. And you may try to focus, but your body is not supporting to you. So your mind keeps wandering. That's why taking care of your body is very important. So drink enough water throughout the day, then your brain stays fresh and active. And avoid heavy junk food before work because it can make you feel sleepy and slow. And when your body feels good, then your mind works better. Because the truth is, focus is not just about your mind. It also depends on your body. And when both work together, then focusing becomes much easier. Habit number 7, top 3 priorities. C, clarity creates focus, and confusion creates distraction. But most of the people sit down to work without knowing exactly what they should do first, because their mind starts to wander, jumping from one thought to another. They open random tabs, check small things, and slowly lose focus without even noticing it. This happens not because they are lazy, but because their mind is not clear. So instead of doing everything, try doing something simple. Take a moment and write down your top 3 most important tasks, and not a long to-do list, just 3. And keep it short and clear, because when you do this, then your brain understands what really matters. Then there is no confusion and no overthinking. And when your mind is clear, then staying focused becomes much easier and natural. Habit number 8, stop multitasking. See, multitasking is a lie. You may think you are being productive, but in reality, you are just switching between tasks. It feels like you are doing many things, but your mind is never fully focused on one. And every time you switch, your focus breaks a little, because your brain needs a few moments to adjust, and that small delay keeps happening again and again. Then your energy slowly drops and your work becomes slower and less clear. So instead of doing many things at once, try doing one thing at a time. Focus on a single task and give it your full attention. At first, it may feel slow because you are not used to working this way. But if you continue, then your focus becomes deeper and your mind becomes calmer. Then you finish your work faster with better quality and less stress. Habit number 9, move your body. See, your brain needs movement, and when you sit for too long, then your body becomes still, and slowly your mind also starts to slow down. Then your energy drops and you will feel heavy. Then it becomes harder to stay focused, and you may try to keep working, but your attention keeps slipping away. That's because your brain is not getting enough movement. But even a small moment can reset your mind, because when you start moving, your body wakes up and your mind begins to feel lighter. So during your day, take short breaks to move. Go for a quick walk, or stretch your body, or do some light exercise. And you don't need to do anything intense. Just move your body, because when your body moves, then blood flows better to your brain. And when your brain gets more energy, then everything starts to feel clearer. Habit number 10, fix your sleep. See, you can try all the habits, but if your sleep is bad, then nothing really works, because sleep is where your brain resets and repairs itself and recharges for the next day. And when you don't get enough sleep, then your mind feels slow, energy drops, and focusing becomes very hard. And you may try to work harder, but your brain is already tired. That's why sleep is so important. So try to sleep on time every night. Then your body gets a proper routine. And avoid screens before bed, because they keep your mind active and delay sleep. And aim for at least 7 hours of rest, so your brain gets enough time to recover. Because the truth is, a tired brain cannot focus no matter how hard you try. Here's the truth no one tells you. Focus is not built in one day, but it is built slowly, day by day, through small actions that you repeat. Because easy things give quick comfort, but important things build your future. So here's your challenge. Don't try to follow all 10 habits at once, because that can feel overwhelming. But instead, just pick one habit so you can stay consistent and not give up. Because your life doesn't change when you feel motivated, but your life truly changes when you start to take control of your life, even on small things. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now with what you have. And if this video made you realize something, don't just watch it and move on. Take it seriously and apply it into your life.